I'm going to show you guys today is a old school remedy. Sore throat, cough, nice red onion, and a jar of honey. Yeah, that's all it takes. Now you can do the same thing with garlic and honey, but when you do that, it takes up to a month just to get that done because it needs to ferment. With this, it's ready the next day. So let's get into it. Literally, just take the onion and you cut it. Slice it in the bits, almost like how I did, oh, not almost, just like I did with the lemons. Now I'm going to cut it in half because I have a much smaller jar than the onion. So literally just going to take the onion, put it in. Burn some honey. Get it down there. I'll have to chop this up a little more. Get it in there. Pour in the rest of your honey. Now, like I said before, you could do the same thing with garlic, but it takes about a month for it to ferment properly and take care of. But with this, ready next day. Seal it up. And a day, you have cough syrup.